Okay. Now we have the lock here, the front panel of it, and you start to install. Okay, yeah. Take the cover. Use this small tool. Okay. And there's a screw here. Just remove it. You'll get a battery case. Okay. You put in the batteries. Screw in. And try the screw. Okay, now. Okay, cover again. Here we already have it power on, and of course if you want to, you can take this to set it up and then install on the door. You can set all fingerprints, passwords and cards before install, or you can install then afterwards set up the passwords and other things. It is okay, but this time you install then add the words, passwords and other things. But firstly, you highly recommend that reset this device before you use it. Once you get it, firstly, it's clear all things on it. Here, use a small stick. Press it and hold.
Delete all card. User password success. Management password was set to all fingerprint deleted.
Okay, now it says that all things are clear. Okay. First, you need to change the password of the management user. This is very important. Just remember to do it first, after all is clear and reset. Here, to activate the keypad, firstly we will need to activate the keypad. You can press anything on it, and it will light on. To enter configuration mode, you will need to press the key button. Okay, press the key.
Into setting function mode. Please input management password. Press key button to confirm.
Management password default is 126.
Please input one number key to choose function. Press key button to confirm. Number 1, delete all user. Number 2, volume adjust. Number 3, delete card. Number 4, delete fingerprint. Number 5, delete user password. Number 6, add fingerprint. Number 7, add user password. Number 8, modify management password. Number 9, add card.
Okay, we will press 8 to change management password.
Please input new 6-number management password. Press key button to confirm.
Okay, we just simply change it. This time, every time you input, you need to do it while the light's on. If the light goes dead, it means that you already exit. You need to enter configuration mode again. You need to light it up and set up again.
Into setting function mode. Please input management password. Press key button. Please input one number key to choose function.
This time we will select A.
Please input new 6-number management password.
Okay, I will just change it to a simple one.
Please input new 6-number management password again. Press key button to confirm. Management password modifies.
It's a very important password, so just keep it in secret and well keep. Don't lose it. It is very important. Otherwise, if you lose it, you will need to use these mechanical keys to open and then release the lock from the door to reset it. On this step, we will try to add and delete the fingerprints. Okay, now you enter the setup mode.
Log into setting function mode. Please input management password. Press key button to confirm.
Okay, enter our new management password.
Please input one number key to choose function. Press key button to confirm. Number 1, delete all.
To add the fingerprint, you press 6, then press the key.
Press key button to confirm.
Okay, the ID is from 00 to 99.
Please press finger.
So put the finger on.
00 ID input fingerprint success.
You can continue to add.
Number ID. Press key button to confirm.
So continue to add 0, 1. Press the key.
Press finger.
Press finger.
01 ID input fingerprint success. Please input 2 number ID. Press key button to confirm. Please press finger. Input fingerprint filled. Please press finger. 02 ID input fingerprint success.
You can just keep adding more and more until you're all done with it. Okay, if you are done, just press the star key to exit. So you try if this works. So I will use this fingerprint.
00 ID open by fingerprint.
Okay, I want to delete one of the fingers. So if I remember the number and whose finger is it, it's very easy. Remember, we should have built up a sheet to record all of this. So if I need to delete the first finger, number 02. Okay, you enter setup mode.
Log into setting function mode. Please input
Management password.
Press key button to confirm. Please input one number key to choose function. Press key button.
You need to press 4.
Delete all user. Please input 2 number ID. Press key
Okay,
button to confirm.
02. You delete
Please
it.
input 2 number ID. Press key button to confirm.
Enter it again.
02 ID delete fingerprint success. Please input 2 number ID. Press key button to confirm.
Okay, press star to exit.
Log into setting function mode. Please input management password. Press key button to confirm. Please input one number key to choose function. Press key button
To add card, press 9
delete
and the
all
key
these
button.
SIM card.
Okay,
00 ID add card success. Please sense card.
so you see the lines is fresh. And this means you can keep just spread more and more cards on it. When you're done, just press the star key. And now we're going to delete one user. We don't want him to open the door anymore.
Log into setting function mode. Please input management password. Please input one number key to choose function. Press key button to confirm. Number 1.
3,
All users please input 2 number ID. Press key button to confirm.
0, 1,
Please input 2 number ID. Press
0,
key button
1.
to confirm. 01 ID delete card success. Please input 2 number ID. Press key button to confirm.
Okay, on this step, you need to add the user password. If someone can use this password, to open the door. Okay, so to add a password, just like before, set up mode.
Please input management password. Press key button to please input one number key to choose function.
To add
Press key
password,
button to confirm.
press 7 to add.
Input 2 number ID. Press key button to confirm.
Okay, I will add as 03 for this time.
Please input new 6-number user password. Press key button to confirm.
The password is 6 digits, so I enter 6-digit password. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay.
Please input new 6-number
Then
user
enter
password
again.
Press key button to confirm. 03 ID and password success. Please input 2-number ID. Press key button to confirm.
So you can just keep adding more
Please input new 6-number
passwords
user
until you are
password.
done.
Press
So
key
I will add
button
one
to
more.
confirm.
Okay. This time is
Please input new 6-number user password again. Press key button to confirm.
to remember that you need to enter twice to confirm the password. Okay, now we are done. So we press the star key to return to normal. Okay. Now I will try to use the password to open the door. Okay, use this one.
04 ID open by password.
Okay. So we will also need to delete it afterward. So just enter configure setup
Log
mode.
into setting function mode. Please input management password. Press key button to confirm. Please input one number key to choose function. Press key button to
To
confirm.
remove a password,
Delete all user. Number 2, volume adjust. Number 3,
press 3.
delete card. Number 4, delete fingerprint. Number 5, delete user password. Number 6, add fingerprint. Number 7, and please input 2-number ID. Press key
So.
button to confirm.
04.
Please input 2-number ID.
We will
Press
enter
key
it
button
again.
to confirm. 04 ID. Delete password success. Please input 2-number ID.
So after okay, now we will try to install it on the something. So we will need to install on the door. Okay, after we add the fingerprints and the passwords and the cards. Okay, so let's say this is the door. Okay, let's see. So before we have already installed the mortise on the door, so we need to put in the parts to do this. Okay. Okay, now. So the front view. Now it is very important. There is a small triangle on this turnaround handle here. So you remember that this triangle should be on the part that the ball points part. It is the same direction to the ball direction. I mean, if this door is open to the right, just make sure it's a point on this way. Okay. Now our ball is pointing to this direction, so make sure this triangle, when we install on it, just make sure it also points at this way, the door side way. Okay, now it is okay for this. if everything is okay, you can see that here. You can look up, open it, and look. Okay, so the direction is right. You turn on the back. Use screw to drive in to lock up. Okay, now we have already installed the lock on door, so we will show how to use it. Firstly, we will show how to lock up. Normally, when you slam the door, it should be locked on this bolt. But if you want it to be more secure, you will need to the lower bolt this bolt. So just slide upside. So now, as it is locked, you cannot open. Okay. So we use car first. Use a car to open. Okay. You use password.
Please input the password again. Press key button to confirm. 03 ID. Open by password.
So it is about 5 seconds if you unlock by the car or by any method, by fingerprint and by password. Okay.
ID. Open by fingerprint.
And this lock has a passage mode. That means, okay, if this is a public door, you need it just open for a while. That people don't have cars or codes to goes in, goes out for a time. You can set it as a passage mode. So any of the user or password use the car or the fingerprint to unlock the door.
ID. Open by card. Lock in permanent open mode.
Okay, just make sure that once the door unlock and the keypad is still blue light, if you change into the passage mode, it means that the lock is always able to open from outside. So if you get used to this and you need to turn to lock up as normal, just use any other method to unlock.
03 ID. Open by password.
Okay, after one unlock, you turn to the normal state.